Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine and you are safe at home. Good. Welcome back to the math class. Hope you all are doing fine. Yes. So today we are going to do a new topic, and for that I will make you revise it. You have done this already? Yes. So can you see on the screen what's written? What is this number? Yes, you know this number? It is 10. How do you spell 10? T-E-N. 10. Very good. Which is this number? This is 11. Say with me. 11. How do you spell it? E-L-E-V-E-N. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Very good. Check these numbers. Which is this number? Yes, you're right. It's 8. E-I-G-H-T. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Say with me. 8. Very good. Which is this number? 9. Say with me. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. You all have done these number names before in your previous class. So the first thing you're going to do is you will memorize all those number names so that in the coming class it will be easy for you. Check these numbers. Which is this number? 40. What is the number? 40. How do you spell it? F-O-R-T-Y. Say with me. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. How do you say it? 40. Yes. Which is this number? This is number 50. This is number 50. How do you spell it? F-I-F-T-Y. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Say with me. 50. Very good. Now see, let's have a quick revision. You know all these numbers? Yes. So tell me, what is the spelling of this number? Which is this number? This is number 2. So what is the spelling? T-W-O. 2. Say with me. 2. Very good. Which is this number? This is number 7. Say with me. 7. S-E-V-E-N. S-E-V-E-N. 7. What's the next number? 4. F-O-U-R. What's the number? 4. F-O-U-R. What's the next number? Very good. 1. O-N-E. 1. O-N-E. 1. Let's see the next number. 6. What's the number? 6. S-I-X. S-I-X. What's the number? 6. Yes. Tell me the next number. It is number 3. It is number 3. T-H-R-E-E. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Very good. What's the last number? 5. The number is 5. F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E. Yes. Now see this. Can you match this? See the first one, 65. Which is the correct answer? Yes, this one, 65. 65. See the next number, 97. 97. So, which is the correct answer? This one, 97. Yes. What's the next number? 47. 47. And here is the answer. 47. Let's see the next one. 82. 82. Which is the answer? Here. E-I-G-H-T-Y 2. T-W-O 2. Here you have the next one. 45. 45. F-O-R-T-Y and 5. F-I-V-E. And the next one. 55. 55. F-I-F-T-Y. 50 and 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 55. Very good. Now let's begin with today's topic. You had a very good recap of your previous number names which you have done in class 1. Now today we are going to start with number names, and the number names are from 111 to 150. 111, 111 to 150. Yes. So I have few examples for you. Now see kids, this is a very good example for you to understand how we write, okay? Now here is the place value. Remember you did place value? See, this is 123. So how you write it? 1 is in which place? Hundreds. Hundreds. The place is hundreds. 2 is in which place? Tens place. And 3 is in which place? Ones place. Okay. So how will you write this? That this is 123. Okay. So how will you write? This is 123. Right? So here you can see from the right hand side, you can start seeing that this is ones place. 3 is in which place? Ones place. 2 is in the tens place, and 1 is in the hundreds place. So we will write from this side. It will be 123. 123. Okay. Great. Now I have some more examples for you. Randomly we will do some questions and you can write with me when we are doing this. These are number names from 111 to 150, and randomly we are taking some numbers, some examples. Let's see the first example. Yes, so you can see it on your screen. The first example is 127. 127. How you write it? 1 O-N-E 100 H-U-N-D-R-E-D and A-N-D 20 T-W-E-N-T-Y 7 S-E-V-E-N. So that is why kids, in the beginning I told you that you must know the spellings of all the numbers. You must know the spellings. So learn that first. You can revise it once again. So this will be easy for you. Yes, let's see the next number. 111. What is the number? 1, O-N-E, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, and A-N-D, 11, E-L-E-V-E-N. Let's see the next number. 130. 130. 1, O-N-E, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, and A-N-D, 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Let's see the next number. 118. 101, O-N-E, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, and A-N-D, 18. Say with me, 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. Okay, this number in the last is 18. Let's see the next number. 149. 149. 1, O-N-E, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, and A-N-D, 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 9, N-I-N-E, 49. Let's see the next number. 150. 150. 1, O-N-E, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, and A-N-D, 50, F-I-F-T-Y, F-I-F-T-Y. So here is the next number, 135. 1, O-N-E, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, and A-N-D, 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 5, F-I-V-E, F-I-V-E. Yes. So, these are the numbers which you will write and learn. Okay, you will write and learn, and you may also practice the numbers from 111 to 150. You will do all the revision. You will try to do more questions related to this 111 to 150. And you will try to write, okay? You must know all the numbers, all the names of all the numbers. So revise that very nicely, okay? So today we did a quick revision that what you did previously related to your previous class, that was the numbers which you have done before, 65, 97, 47, and see, we did all the revision, right? So this all you need to do once again, you need to revise it. So it will be very helpful for you, right kids? It will be very helpful for you. So try to write this all and learn the spellings nicely. Okay? Thank you and take care.